Chisom, you've been crying all morning. What's wrong? Sis, I made a terrible mistake. What happened? You can tell me anything. Chisom, you've been crying all morning. What? So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I created a cinematic AI scene from scratch using AI tools. And if you're a beginner, you should just follow me along step by step. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Thelma, and in this channel, I teach you how to create amazing AI videos and cinematic stories. If that's what you're interested in, you should consider subscribing. Now let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is to go to Google Flow AI. You go to your browser and just type Google Flow AI. So you go to this first one that says Google Flow AI Creative Studio for videos, image, and custom tools. You click on it. And if you're new to Google Flow AI, you are going to sign in with your email. You are going to sign in with your email. So the next thing, because I'm already using Google Flow AI, I'm already signed in, and you just click on new projects. So this plus sign you are seeing here that says upload media, when you want to create an image, you can, and you have a particular image you want to use, you can just go to this upload media to take you to your photo gallery, so you can select any image there. Now here that it says what do you want to create. If of course you want to create image, you just click on image and any aspect ratio of your choice. If it's 16:9, whatever you want to do, 16:9 is for YouTube, that's the landscape. And if you want to do portrait, which is for TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, it's going to be 9:16. Now this 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x you're seeing is the number of pictures you want to generate. So if you want to generate 2 pictures, 3 pictures, 4 pictures, you put it on what you want. Now this Nano Banana 2 you are seeing is Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana 2 Lite, Nano Banana Pro. You select whatever you want, but for the sake of this video, we'll be selecting Nano Banana 2. Now you click this plus sign, you want to upload whatever you want to. Like for example, if you've uploaded the media, then this plus sign you to be on the library already, so you just take your pictures from there. So now because I already have my Flow AI, I have the app already, so we're moving to my app. I'm just showing you this for the sake of those that don't have Flow AI app and you want to log into Flow AI for the first time. You go to your browser and type Google Flow. I just do this that I did. Now for this tutorial, I have prepared the prompt we are going to use to generate the image. And after generating the image, I will show you exactly how to turn that image into a cinematic video. Now this is the prompt. Inside a luxurious modern Nigerian mansion living room, Adana, you will see where I had to open brackets to identify who is Adana. So I said Adana is a beautiful young Nigerian woman, fair skin complexion, long neatly parted micro braids with soft coily ends, elegant, naturally graceful appearance, and I closed the bracket. Now she's wearing an ivory silk long sleeve blouse tucked into high-waisted beige tailored trousers, nude pointed toe heels, delicate gold necklace, and stud earrings. Now we've differentiated Adana. Now the next person is Chisom. Chisom is a dark brown skin tone, and I stated how she looks like. So I said, they are sitting on a cream sofa. They are sitting on a cream sofa crying while confessing her pregnancy, luxurious contemporary interior, emotional atmosphere, cinematic lightning. Now, I used to put all this when generating my image or my videos, and I say, do not change the face of the characters in the image uploaded above. Now I've already uploaded my image, which is Adana and Chisom. So let me change it to 2. I want to create 2 pictures. So we'll click on it. Now it's generating. You can see that it has generated. So this is Adana and Chisom. Adana is the fair skin type and Chisom is the dark brown skin lady. And if you want to save this, if you feel like this picture isn't clear enough or it isn't bright enough, you see where this edit is, you just come here and type, you can say make it more clearer and visible, and it's going to generate it for you again. So it's going to make it more clearer for you. So it's generating, we have to wait for it. So this is it. Can you see the difference? It is now very clear and visible. So to save it, we'll just click on these three dots here. You see where it says download. You download it. 1K original size. So you say processing image, download will start automatically. Okay. Photo saved to your device. Now look at the second picture it generated for me. If I want to use this, I will use this. And if I want to use the other one, I will use the other one. So whatever you like, whatever image you want, you just go for it and save it. Now we are trying to turn the image into a cinematic video. Now Google Flow AI, when generating image, it is free of charge. But when you are generating an image, you have to use 10 credits. Now, let me show you. This is the video. This is 16:9, which is what I want. I want it to be in a landscape video. So don't go and click this your 1x. Now, I'm using VO 3.1 Lite, which is 10 credits per video. If you should put it on 1x, it will use 10 credits per video. But if you put it on 2, meaning you want it to create 2 videos for you, same type of video but in 2 different ways, it's going to use 20 credits. So for us not to exhaust our credits, we have to use it, put it on 1. And mind you, Google Flow AI gives you 50 free credits. So if you don't want to subscribe to the pro version, you can always come in every day and use the 50 free credit, which is going to generate 5 videos for you. So I've already pasted my prompts on what I want, and I say they are discussing in Nigerian English. Now, Adana, you have to differentiate. Tell your AI which is this, because if you just put it there, Adana, Google Flow does not know Adana, so you have to differentiate. Adana is the fair skin lady, and Chisom is the dark skin lady. No, so she said, Chisom, you've been crying all morning. What's wrong? Chisom, the dark brown skin lady, says, crying. Sis, I made a terrible mistake. Adana, the first skin lady, what happened? You can tell me anything. And like I told you earlier, I used to put this prompt at the end of my picture when generating my pictures or my videos, and I say, do not change the face of the characters in the image uploaded above, because I want my characters to be consistent, to have this consistent face and not changing. So let's generate the video. So we're going to wait for it. Oh, they said I need more AI to this. So let me switch to one of my listen that has free credits. Now here is our finished product. Chisom, you've been crying all morning. What's wrong? Sis, I made a terrible mistake. What happened? You can tell me anything. So this is Chisom, you've been crying all morning. What's wrong? So I hope this tutorial helped you. And if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on my next tutorial. And in my next tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to use ChatGPT to create very powerful prompts to generate even better AI images. You wouldn't want to miss that. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye-bye.